What's up guys, and welcome back. A few months ago I posted a video about how I hit a pothole on the bike and absolutely destroyed 2 wheels and 2 tires. I went and got quotes, submitted them to New York State, crossed my fingers and hoped it worked. If you didn't see that video, get up to speed, click right here. But today I got a response from the Department of Transportation of New York State, and I'm going to read it to you, then I'm going to read you my response, because you know I responded. Dear Mr. Walsh, that's me. We've received for consideration your claim in which it is indicated that your motorcycle incurred damage as you traveled west in the HOV lane on I-495 Long Island Expressway at approximate reference marker 495I-0703-1198 in Holbrook, Suffolk County, New York at 6:00 p.m. on the 27th of June, 2021. In connection with our investigation of the fact of your claim, we have consulted with our field personnel. They've informed us that this section of highway is monitored on a regular basis and potholes are repaired as weather, time, personnel, materials, and priorities permit. Additionally, they confirmed that there were no reports of any condition at this location prior to your incident that would have caused the alleged damage to your motorcycle. The state may reimburse for an individual for losses only if it is clear that the damages in question resulted from the negligent conduct of state personnel. In order for the state to be found negligent, the courts have consistently ruled that there must be a clear demonstration that the state, with notice of a dangerous condition, failed to correct the condition within a reasonable time. A review of the factual situation of your claim fails to disclose the existence of any such notice or conduct. Therefore, no liability on our part can be inferred, and we are not able to approve your claim. We regret that we cannot be more helpful in this matter, but it is not possible to reimburse you for your damages. Sincerely, Dan Moore, claims engineer. Well, Dan, you have a pretty regular white guy name, but you weren't really hard to find. A quick Google search came up with Dan Moore's email address. So I sent an email to Dan, CCing pretty much every state and local lawmaker, CBS News, ABC News, News 12 Long Island, 1010 Wins, and a host of others. I sent him this. Dan, I have received your letter in response to the damages caused by the DOT's inability to properly maintain the roads it is trusted with. In the letter, you claim that your field personnel have stated that the section of road in question, I-495 westbound HOV lane at mile marker 495I-0703-1198 is monitored on a regular basis and repaired as needed. Anyone who has driven I-495 in Suffolk County can tell you that there isn't a shred of truth to that. I've driven that same section of road since the incident and noted that the pothole in question was not repaired for several months after my incident. As a DOT official, I don't think I need to remind you of the danger a pothole of this nature poses to motorcycle riders. Had I not had the riding experience that I do, I very well could have lost control and been killed. I've attached photographic proof of the pothole in question, the area, the mile marker, and the damage caused to my motorcycle. I expect New York State DOT to reimburse me the damages of $2,300 plus, as outlined on the repair quotes provided in my initial submission. My attorney has been notified. I have CC'd state and local government representatives as well as prominent local news sources. I trust you will do the right thing. And I attached the Dropbox link. I have attached about 12 photos of the pothole, the damage to the bike, a screenshot of the coordinates. I've given them all of the information they could possibly need. So far, there has not been a response from Dan, but it has only been 2 or 3 days now, so fully expect to get some type of response from somebody, and I'll keep you guys in the loop. So if you guys wanted to check out the photos, the repair quotes, this letter from Dan, and all the other things, I'm gonna leave the Dropbox link in the description. So make sure you check that out. And if you know any local news reps or any New York State government representatives, let me know. DM me on Instagram at Apex Hunter and let me know if there's anybody else that you know of that I can contact to help me get my money, because this is bullshit. That's it for today. I'll see you guys next time.